Welcome to Visual Effects Tutorials. Today I teach you how to create image slideshow in After Effects. So guys, let's start. Go to project window and click new composition. Let's call it final. Composition setting full HD, 9020 and 1080. Frame rate 25. Duration takes 6 seconds long. Then go to project window and create one more composition. That's composition for image. Call it image 1. Composition setting 9020 by 1080. Okay. Then let's import image file. Go to project window, double click and import image file. Drag image in image composition and I go to final composition, double click open and import image comp in final composition. Then let's apply some effects. Go to effects and presets, type tint, apply on this image. Double click and change some settings and change tint amount. I take 60. Go to effects and presets, type fast blur, double click and change some settings. Blurriness I take 5. Repeat edge check and go to effects and preset, type curve, apply, go to channel, I take below and set below graph like this. Then select this image comp and press S for scale and hold shift, press R for rotation. Click both stopwatch, create a keyframe. Also go to end of this animation, set scale value and click add keyframe. Go back very beginning in this animation and set scale property. Scale I take 120 and also rotation set -5. Select all keyframes. Go to keyframe assistant, select easy ease, close image comp, then select image and create a duplicate. Press Command D for duplicate. Select top image comp and go to effects control. Just delete fast blur and tint amount I take 100 for pure black and white image and go to curve and set graph like this. Then create a shape animation. So guys, go to toolbar and select rectangle shape and go to stroke uncheck. Then create a shape like this. Create a nice rectangular shape and go to shape property, rectangle 1, open, rectangle path 1, open, go to size and unlink X and Y property. X property I take 250 and Y property I take 1000. And go to transform rectangle 1, open, set position, Y position I take 0, go to skew and set skew value 20. See guys, look like this. Then go to position property, position I take 170, select layer and select anchor point tool and set point center on this shape and go to size. I want to animate size in this layer. Start keyframe, press stopwatch and go to 1 second and 20 frame, add key and go back first keyframe. Y size I take 0, rectangle 1 close. I get this type animation. Press U, watch only keyframes, select both keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant, select easy ease. Then go to graph editor, then select this point and hold this handle, drag on like this and this handle also drag. Create a smooth curve. Go back and we get this type animation. See guys, select shape layer and go to property, select rectangle 1 and create 4 copies. Select rectangle 1, Command D, duplicate, then Command D, duplicate, and last one, duplicate. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And select rectangle 2, open property, go to rectangle path 1 and set X position. I take something like 450, close, go to rectangle 3, rectangle path, set position, X position. I take 730. Then I go to rectangle 4, open rectangle path 1 and set X property. I take 1010. See guys, close rectangle 4 and close shape layer. Guys, we get this type animation. Then I want to place this image inside of this shape animation. Create a matte, go to track matte, set alpha matte. See guys, this is smooth and nice animation. And select image comp 2, right click and go to layer style, create a shadow. Go to drop shadow property and change some settings. Opacity I take 15, distance I take 15, then size I take 15. Close composition. Then select both layers, create a duplicate, press keyboard shortcut Command D, create a duplicate, top both layers, drag little bit forward, drag, and select composition, go to effect control, select tint, delete. See guys, we get this type animation. And select image composition 2, right click, go to layer style and I take stroke. Go to stroke property, click layer style, stroke property, size I take 4, color I choose white. And go to position, position I take inside. Close composition, go back. Guys, I apply some particles in this animation and go to project, double click and choose particle files, open. Drag in this composition. See guys, blending mode I take screen. See guys, then guys I apply light leaks and go to project panel, double click and import light leaks. I have already create light leaks, set light leaks according to composition. So right click on this composition and go to transform, select fit to comp. See guys, and go to blending mode. I take screen. Light leaks little bit forward, go back and play. See guys, we get this type animation. So beautiful. And create some text. Go to text and type new image. And go to text layer, press Command D, duplicate, select second text layer and type slideshow. Select text and press down arrow key and set position your text and go to text property. Font I use Marriott Pro. Second text I use bold. Select top text layer and size I take 100. Select both text layers, little bit down as you like. Text animation start, go to 1 second and press bracket, start layer, select top text, press P position, press in this stopwatch, add key, go forward to 20 frame, add key, go back and set position. Select text, drag out in this composition. Select both keyframes, right click, easy ease. Go to graph editor, select this point and drag handles. Create a nice and smooth graph animation. See guys. Select bottom layer, start animation almost mid to top layer. Select, go to text property, go to animate, click and I choose opacity. Opacity I take 0. Go to range selector, create a start key and go forward 20 frame. Start position I take 100. Then go to advance, select shape random and select both keyframes. Press F9 easy ease. Close text layers and go to beginning. In this animation, play and watch. See guys, we get this type animation and beautiful image slideshow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.